Hey guys, this is Chris from the Summary Software team, and in today's RECON ITR quick tip, I'm going to be talking about a pretty useful feature that might sometimes be overlooked in RECON ITR, and that is the ability to identify, extract, and triage iOS backups that are present on a system. So this is a very useful feature for those of you who are out in the field and basically think that there might be an iOS backup present on a device. This feature will make it very easy to both figure out if there is one, and if there is, you have a couple different options on what you can do with it. So here I am running the newest version of RECON ITR, and I'm at the home page, and basically there's this button right here that says iOS Backup. So if we select this button, it is going to output a list of any and all iOS backups that are currently present on the machine that you are running on. So basically this is definitely a triage feature that would need to be run on an actual suspect machine, and essentially what it'll do is it'll give you a couple of different options here. So basically what you'll want to do is select an output partition or an output destination, and we are going to send this to our Recon Imager data partition. And essentially what we have here now is two options. So we have the extract backup button, which is basically just going to shoot it out to our destination drive and allow us to basically put it into different analysis tools like Recon Lab, for example, for further analysis. If we are on scene though, and we only have a little bit of time with it, and we would actually like to do a short triage of this, as well as generate quick reports, or quick and automated reports essentially, all within one tool, then we can hit this button right here for Run Case. And if we hit Run Case, it is going to make the interface disappear, and it is going to load up the Recon Triage interface where we can select all of our automated plugins for our triage case that will be later run. So you can see across the left-hand side we have a bunch of native and third-party applications to work with, and essentially you would just enable or disable whichever ones you are interested in or not interested in, and you would fill in your case details and continue with your triage investigation as usual. So thank you guys very much for watching. If you have any questions or concerns about anything that I covered in this video, then definitely feel free to either leave a comment or shoot us an email, and we would be absolutely more than happy to help you guys out. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to subscribe.